So if you're like me, you have a lot of playback devices. This list makes it much harder to change between the devices you actually use. To change this, right-click the sound icon and select Open Sound Settings. Then select Manage Sound Devices. Here you click the devices you don't use and click Disable. If you need to undo this, the disabled devices list appears below. You can also do this for microphones. This is handy for the hard webcam mix. As you can see, this makes it much easier when switching between devices. Why don't you leave a like and comment down below if this helped you out? Subscribe, poggers.